عليكم أصدقائي الأعزاء، احنا الآن في السليمانية وعبرنا جبل الأزمر وهسه جينا لهاي المنطقة السياحية وبرفقتنا الدكتورة رجان وزوجها الأستاذ عطا وبرفقتنا الأستاذ نبيل ويانا مجموعة حماة دجلة، وعندنا فعالية بيئية نقضيها هنا بالشمال لمدة 4-5 أيام، وإن شاء الله نقدر نصور لكم شيء على الجبال يعجبكم. شكرا جزيلا.
In September, this visit was reciprocated with a visit to Sulaymaniyah Governorate by activists from the south. Collaboration across divides is needed to address the root causes of the crisis and address some of the water challenges for Iraq. 5 activists from Baghdad, Nazariya and Amara participated in the exchange led by Humad Dijla, which took place between 13 and 17 September 2018. Together with the Kurdish host, led by Waterkeepers Iraq, they are all members of Save the Tigers campaign. The goal was to learn more about the waterways in Sulaymaniyah Governorate and about environmental activism in the region. The participants spent each night in a camp in the countryside, several kilometers north of Sulaymaniyah. There was plenty of time for socializing and strategizing together. The tour kicked off at the tobacco factory in the city of Sulaymaniyah, which thanks to local activists has been turned into a cultural center after years of neglect. This is now an important space for creativity and activism, including Waterkeepers Iraq, who are based here. In the factory, a meeting was hosted during which some of the current environmental challenges in Iraq were discussed, together with some key activists of the tobacco factory. On the following days, the delegation visited Lake Dukhan by boat, during which they were briefed on the details of the Dukhan Dam, the water system that feeds northern Iraq, and how it has been affected by the decrease in water flows. The group visited a site close to the Tanjaro River, where waste has been dumped by the municipality as well as industries. Garbage, oil and toxic materials have polluted the local environment, contaminating the Tanjaro River as well as the groundwater. The confluence of the Tanjaro River and the Siran River together form the Diyala River, which is a tributary of the Tigris. All this pollution causes a lot of problems downstream too, in Basra. The tour ended with a visit to 2 key natural sites in the area. The activists explored Hazarmet Cave, a Paleolithic site which contained hand axes and other tools. These artifacts are now housed in the Iraqi Museum in Baghdad. Having seen the archaeological remains in Baghdad, this was now an opportunity to see the actual cave. The visit ended in Ahmed Awa, a waterfall site which has become one of the most popular tourist sites in the region.